warning for southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, southern Ballard County, Kentucky, western Carlisle County, Kentucky, Mississippi County, Missouri, northeastern New Madrid County, Missouri, southern Scott County, Missouri, southeastern Stoddard County, Missouri, until 12:45 a.m. At 12:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 6 miles southwest of Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area to over Essex, or along a line from 9 miles north of Charleston to 6 miles east of Dexter, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sykeston, Dexter, Charleston, East Clary, Carroll, Minor, Wycliffe, Morehouse, Bertrand, Matthews, Essex, Kanalu, White, Anniston, Farrenburg, Haywood City, Blodgett, Baker, and Dealscott. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, New Madrid, Scott and Stoddard, and Alexander, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and Carlisle.